Welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of dust and dirt taking over your tech gadgets, you're in for a treat. Today, we're excited to introduce the 21-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner, a compact powerhouse designed to keep your devices spotless and functioning like new. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a busy professional, or just someone who loves a clean workspace, this versatile tool has something for everyone. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. With its sleek design and incredible functionality, the 21-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner is here to make cleaning your devices easier than ever. From computer keyboards to mobile phones, cameras, and even your headphones, this little machine does it all. Let's explore its features and see how it can revolutionize your cleaning routine. Comprehensive Cleaning Kit. This mini vacuum cleaner is more than just a tool. It's a complete cleaning kit. It comes with a variety of attachments to tackle different cleaning needs. Whether you need to remove dust from your keyboard, clean small gaps, or maintain your camera, this device has got you covered. Efficient aggregation and deep cleaning. The 21-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner boasts a powerful motor with high-speed suction to ensure deep cleaning. Its efficient aggregation and dust protection net make sure that every corner and crevice gets the attention it deserves. Plus, the extended rod design allows you to reach those hard-to-get places with ease. Versatile tools for various surfaces. From the key extractor and keyboard brush for removing dust from corners to the earphone cleaning tools that keep your earbuds as good as new, this kit has every tool you need. The small elbow brush is perfect for cleaning charging ports and narrow areas, while the camera maintenance tools help keep your lens free from dust and debris. Powerful suction and blowing capabilities. With a fan speed of 13,000 revolutions per minute and 2 speed settings, this vacuum cleaner offers strong suction power. The blowing nozzle can be replaced to blow out dust from camera gaps, making sure your equipment remains in top condition. Rechargeable and portable. The 21-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner features a rechargeable battery with a capacity of 600 mAh, with a Type-C charging interface and a full battery life of approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes on the first wind speed and 1 hour and 20 minutes on the second. It's perfect for extended cleaning sessions. Its compact design ensures easy portability and convenient storage. Multifunctional use. Whether you need to clean your screen, maintain your headphones, or keep your keyboard dust-free, this cleaning kit is equipped to handle it all. The universal extension rod and cylindrical brush make it adaptable for various cleaning tasks. Easy to use and store. With a size of 124.5 millimeters by 61 millimeters and a tool bucket position of 90.5 millimeters by 61 millimeters, this mini vacuum cleaner is designed for maximum space utilization. Its portable storage design makes it a great travel companion, and the split and elongated design ensures all tools are neatly organized. And that wraps up our review of the 21-in-1 Mini Vacuum Cleaner. This all-in-one cleaning solution is perfect for keeping your devices in pristine condition and your workspace clutter-free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Got any questions or thoughts about this mini vacuum cleaner? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.